In the last video, we have discussed the definition of normal distribution and also standard normal distribution and few important results. Now let us take up an example of normal distribution. Evaluate the following problem with the help of normal probability tables. The first one is P of z greater than or equal to 0.85. Probability of z value greater than or equal to 0.85. Second one is probability of z lies between minus 1.64 to minus 0.88. Probability of z less than or equal to minus 2.43 and probability of mod z less than or equal to 1.94. First, let me take up an example. Probability of z greater than or equal to 0.85. So how to calculate this probability of z greater than or equal to 0.85? Let us draw that in a normal curve. This is how we should draw the normal curve. Then here comes 0.85. We should calculate probability of z greater than 0.85. Z greater than or equal to 0.85. Greater than means this area we have to calculate. So to calculate this area, I'll calculate probability of 0 to infinity. Z lies between 0 to infinity. Then I will subtract 0 to 0.85. I'll subtract 0 to 0.85. So that is given by probability of z greater than or equal to 0 minus probability of z lies between 0 to 0.85. So probability of z greater than or equal to 0 means this is the value. This value from 0 to infinity we have 0.5, that is 0.5 minus probability of 0 to 0.85 means it is 5 of 0.85. So this value is 0.5 minus 5 of 0.85. This 5 of 0.85 can be calculated using calculator or it can be calculated using the normal distribution table. I'll show you how to check that value in the normal distribution table. This is the normal distribution table. So to calculate 5 of 0.85, this is the normal probability table. Here we have 0.8. 5 means 0.8 corresponding to that value is 0.05. 0.8 plus 0.05 will be 0.85. So corresponding to that value is 0.3023. This is how we should calculate the normal distribution value. 5 of 0.85 is 0.3023. So 0.5 minus 0.3023 is 0.19766. Or you can also use your calculator to calculate this 5 of 0.85. I'll show you how to calculate it in calculator also. So first you should go for mode. Then you should go for stat. Shift mode. Mode statistics. Then press AC. After that press shift 1. Here go for distribution. Then go for 2. Q of 0.85 will be 0.3023. This is how you can calculate it in your calculator. So 5 of 0.85 is 0.3023. So the value is 0.19766. Similarly, to calculate P of probability of z lies between minus 1.64 to minus 0.88. So minus 1.64 to minus 0.88 means here comes, if I draw the bell-shaped curve, minus 0.88 to 1.64, I need to calculate this area. So instead of calculating it negatively, since it is a symmetrical curve, I'll take it from plus 0.88 to 1.64. I'll calculate this area. So to calculate this area, first I will calculate from 0 to 1.64. What is the area between 0 to 1.64? From that I will subtract from 0 to 0.88. So that I'll get the area between 0.88 to 1.64. So this is the calculation part. So P of 0.88 to Z less than or equal to 1.64 can be calculated as P of 0 to 1.64 minus P of Z lies between 0 to 0.88. So P of Z lies between 0 to 1.64 will be written as phi of 1.64 minus this value is phi of 0.88. This can be calculated using the normal distribution table and the resultant value is 0.1389. The next one is probability of z less than or equal to minus 2.43. So probability of z less than or equal to minus 2.43 means, let me show that using the bell-shaped curve. P of z less than or equal to minus 2.43 means this area we should calculate. This is between minus infinity to plus infinity. So less than minus 2.43 means this area. Instead of this negative shade, I'll take it in the positive side. So P of z greater than 2.43. This area I should calculate. To calculate this area, I will calculate from 0 to infinity because I know the probability from 0 to infinity. It is 0.5 minus, I'll calculate from 0 to 2.43. Probability of 0 to 2.43. That gives me the area between 2.43 to infinity. So this is the part of the calculation. Probability of z greater than or equal to 2.43 can be written as probability of z greater than or equal to 0 minus probability of z lies between 0 to 2.43. This is 0.5 minus 5 of 2.43. This value can be calculated using the normal distribution table and the result will be 0.0075. Then the next one is probability of mod z less than or equal to 1.94. Mod z means it includes both positive as well as negative value. So this can be written as probability of minus 1.94 less than or equal to z less than or equals to 1.94. That means I'll show you in the table, in the figure. So between minus 1.94 to plus 1.94, I should calculate this area. Instead of this negative region, I'll calculate from 0 to 1.94. Since they are symmetrical about the line, I'll multiply this with 2. 2 times probability of 0 to 1.94. I'll calculate from 0 to 1.94 and I'll multiply with 2 since they are symmetrical about the axis. So that will be 2 times probability of z lies between 0 to 1.94. So 2 times probability of z lies between 0 to 1.94 will be written as phi of 1.94 and this will be calculated using the normal distribution table and the result will be 0.9476.